Hey everyone, Finesse here today. I'm going to show you Sailor Moon pocket watch I got from eBay. So here's the box. Looks like they didn't give a Sailor Moon box for it. And the side of the box is Asuna on it. The back of the box has a few characters on there. On the other side, and here's Angel again. Just trying to open it. There guys, I'm just trying to get it open with one hand doing it. Hey, Angel, looking cute for the camera. Right there, just gotta put the camera down for a second because I can't get it up by one hand. Angel. Right. Why are you going close to the camera? Angel loves the camera, don't she? And she's trying to bite it. There, I'm trying to get it to the light because... No, the product is always... I can't refocus, she's in the light. Angel, get out of the light. So, I'm trying to bear with me because Angel is actually blocking the light from the shade from it. Angel, stop, don't pull it. Angel's being bozo, so I'm trying to focus the camera on it. Angel's being impossible at the moment, guys. She's pulling the chain of it. So you see Sailor Moon. Serena, whatever her name is. What are you doing? Stop! No, hey, don't take it away. Angel's being very bold at the moment. And that's the right time at the moment. It's 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, I'm making a video at 2:30 in the morning. So I don't get much sleep. And Angel's about to knock my laptop off the bed. Would you go away, Angel? About to knock... Did you get off the computer? She does this every time I try to make a video, everyone. Destroys it. Or my laptop's going to be on the floor. Just do it once more because I'm not really getting a proper shine of it. It's not focusing. So you know just what it looks like anyway. It's Sailor Moon. The camera's not really focusing properly. So yeah, so that's Sailor Moon pocket watch. So like, comment, subscribe my channel, guys. So I see you again for more anime unboxing.